Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down the impressive WAVLINK 11-in-1 USB-C laptop docking station. Let's jump into the unique features of this powerhouse device. 11-in-1 multi-port hub. This WAVLINK docking station offers 11 versatile ports packed into a single unit, including dual HDMI, DisplayPort USB-C, USB-A, USB-A, SDA or microSD readers, an Ethernet port, and an audio jack. PD3.1 Technology. This docking station supports a powerful 140-watt USB-C input and up to 125-watt pass through charging. That means your laptop and connected devices can stay powered without missing a beat, ideal for power-hungry USB-C laptops. 10 Gbps transfer speed. The high-speed USB-C 3.2 port offers up to 10 Gbps transfer speed, perfect for fast file transfers. This ensures quick, efficient data handling for large files, such as videos or creative projects. High-speed SD and microSD card. The dock includes SD and microSD card slots that support. This feature is ideal for photographers, videographers, and content creators who need fast, reliable access to their media files directly from the dock. Gigabit Ethernet port. For secure high-speed internet, the docking station has a 1000 Mbps Ethernet port. This ensures a stable wired connection, perfect for online work, streaming, or downloading large files without the risk of lag. With support for multiple monitors, rapid charging, and universal compatibility, this dock is a fantastic addition to any workstation. Check out the link in the description to learn more and get yours today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech reviews.